day everyone, my name is Brian Ginawan and I create a video presentation in midterm outcome based assessment. My answer for question number 3. For 3 security tools for the hospitality industry. Firewalls. Firewalls act as barrier between the hotel internal network and external threats, filtering out harmful traffic and preventing unauthorized access. Number 2, antivirus software. Antivirus software scans device for malfunction software, in short malware, hoping to prevent infection that could compromise hotel system. For number 3, encryption software. Encryption software protect sensitive data by converting into the unreadable formats, ensuring that even if that data is intercepted into cannot be used. For the question number 1, what recommendation can you make with regards to the three issues concerning information technology and hospitality industry? My number 1 answer uh, for recommendation for information technology issue in the hospitality industry, data privacy concerns. For data privacy concerns, implement strict data protection policy to the safeguard guest information. Number 2, system integration challenge. Invest the integrated software solution that allow different hotel departments, reservation, front desk, housekeeping, to communicate seamlessly. And 3, cybersecurity threat. Strength cybersecurity threat by using firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection system. Number 2 question, how can business owner manage ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees? My answer for question number 2, ensuring properly use of business tools by employees, providing comprehensive training. Then include both initial onboarding and refreshing courses. To set clear expectations, establish guidelines and expectation for how tools should be used. This can include productivity goals or how to troubleshoot common issue. 3. Monitoring and provide feedback. Use performance tracking or reporting tools to monitoring employees' usage. 4. Simplifying tools and system, choosing user-friendly and intuitive tools to reduce the learning curves. 5. Provide ongoing support. Set up the support system. Help desk technical support for employees to reach out when they encounter problems. For the question number 3, identify 3 security tools that are ideal in keeping the tools and technology hospitality industry. Explain which department in the hotel that said security tools will be useful and how. My answer for question number 3, ensuring proper use of business tools by employees, providing comprehensive training of regular and detailed training session to ensure that employees ay